by pressing a keyboard key, or combination of keyboard keys, that provides direct access to particular function in a computer, is called as keyboard shortcut. Let's see some of the keyboard shortcuts of Windows 10. Press Ctrl+A to select all items in a window, or all text in a document. Press Ctrl+C to copy the selected items or text. Press Ctrl+V to paste the copied item or text. Press Ctrl+X to cut the selected item or text. Press Ctrl+Z to undo an action. Press Ctrl+Y to redo an action. Press F2 to rename the selected item. Press F3 to search in File Explorer. Press F4 to display address bar in File Explorer. Press F5 to refresh the active window. Press F10 to activate menu bar of active window. Press F11 to open any window or application in full screen mode. Press F11 again to exit full screen mode. Press Windows plus key to zoom in the display using magnifier. Press Windows plus minus key to zoom out the display using magnifier. Press Windows plus escape to exit magnifier. To check out more tech videos, click here. To subscribe GuruAid channel, click here. For instant tech support, call GuruAid toll-free numbers